Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is time for another episode of a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. You never know, including I never know. And, sometimes it's hard to make a card 30 seconds. So I have a couple things put off to the side. Who am I making a card for? Oh gosh, what is he to me? My nephew-in-law. He's a family member. Anyway, he not only is graduating college a year early, he's also just turned 21. So it's kind of like a big deal. So we're having a big party at my brother's house this Saturday. And so, well, by the time you're watching this, it's past. So I bet I had a good time. But I need a card for him for this Saturday. So this is my plan. I'm going to do it right now. I grabbed some colors. I had out from our Christmas card kit, I had some red and green and white, and I'm like, well, that's Christmas. So I'm throwing in some blue to make it more boyish, whatever. And I'm just going to see where it goes, okay? We'll just see. I kind of have some ideas. Probably going to have to say best wishes because not only is he graduating college, it's also his birthday. It's a double party, so it's like happy birthday, congratulations. How about saying best wishes? That's easier. So this is going to be probably the most personalized card I've made. Usually I make more generic. This is going to be more personalized towards him. I won't say his name for privacy. Anyway, Kenny, get your breath. Are you ready with your timers? He always has 2 just in case. I think I'm ready with my die cut machine. Got my die cut machine. Hang on, let me check, see which one I can use here. Okay, I'll just use the bigger one. Here we go. Okay, got my die cut machine ready. Ken, are you ready with the timers? Yes, he's shaking his head, yes. So, on your marks. Get set. Go. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so I'm using white for my card base because why waste a color, right? I'm going to lay this down. This is my A2 card base. I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to run this through my machine as fast as I possibly can. And then I have my card base. So right, boom, that was fast. Now I'm going to fold that in half where the die created the score line. And then I need to add a background piece of cardstock. And I want this to be more simple in design because of a reason, and I have a reason in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and grab, let's see, hang on. Ooh, I have another blue here. I'm going to go ahead and grab this dark blue, and we're simply just going to add a layering die. So let's grab that really fast, and let's get a smaller cutting pad. Let's run that through our die cut machine over here. There we go. And now I have my layering piece. So I am going to hang on to this for just a second because I am going to grab, I have some blue with adhesive already on the back, and I need another color. Oh, I didn't think about that. I need another color, perhaps red. Do I have red anywhere? Where's my reds? Red or black would work. Come on. We got to have some paper with the card, the background. Oh, let's see, black. No. Reds. Where's my reds? Where's my reds? There's red. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, red. Okay. So let's grab some red. And this has adhesive on the back also. Adhesive on the back here. We're going to use our best wishes die. So I want red for the shadow. Whoops. Go. Red. Come on. Red. And then we're going to do best wishes in blue. We're going to grab our cutting pad. And we're going to run this through. Lots of blade on that best wishes, but it's worth it because it's an awesome die. Best wishes is perfect for what? Graduation, birthday, when somebody's retiring and you want to say, congratulations or best wishes. So we're going to pull that out. This one's kind of intricate, so we got to kind of maneuver it out of here without tearing anything. And when you're trying to go fast, that's never good. There we go. Move that off to the side. So we're going to have that. Then we need to peel this off. I'm going to peel that backing off. Remember, we added adhesive earlier. Well, before. Let's see if we, oh gosh, come on. It never peels when you want it to, right? It just never does when you're trying to go fast. There we go. Get it started, then it's fast. So go slow because that one's got all the extra trash comes off, so that helps. Then we're going to grab our B and then do the top, best. Lay down one letter at a time so it's not as overwhelming. Then we're going to grab the S, and we're going to grab all of that. Best wishes right there. I love that. Now there is a dot. Where'd the dot go? I lost my dot. There it is. Oh, it's perfect. Right there. We're going to add that right there. Best wishes. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm going to adhere that to this. And this one didn't need adhesive, but it's nice it had it. We're going to add that to right there. Look how pretty that is. Now we're going to get fancy. Card front shakers. I wrote it on the envelope, the big envelope, so I didn't accidentally think these were clear envelopes. I'm going to add this into this envelope. Now it's a tight fit. It's for the layering die, right? It's a tight fit. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do, sequins. Check this out, honeymooners. We're going to add some sequins in there. The more the merrier. We came out with new sequins, so now I don't have to worry about using my old ones. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, more. There we go. Fill that baby up. There we go. Okay, so now we got some sequins in there. We're going to seal this now. We're going to peel that up. Get off. And we're going to fold that all the way over to seal it. No leakage. What? I know, isn't that awesome? Now watch this, you guys. Best wishes, whoosh, 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 right? Now, this is going to go on my card. Where's my card? It's right here. Boom. We're going to lay that down. We're going to add some adhesive to this. How easy does that? It's not going to go on very easy, is it? Let's grab our big time adhesive. Let's use our score tape. This is not going anywhere, right? So we're going to add a score tape. Now, I'm going to do I need to trim this a little. Because, well, okay, we'll leave it like that. I was going to put the gift card in there because wouldn't that be cool to have the gift card floating around in there too? But for this video, we better not, because I can't keep it like that. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to add this right to the front. Look, it's going to layer perfectly on my card base right there. Layer that just like that. So now we have our best wishes. And all those fun sequins are going to go everywhere. I added a lot, by the way. And then, because it's also his 21st birthday, we need to add a little drink, because some people drink when they turn 21. So we're going to add that just as a little joke kind of in the corner. And last but not least, I really need to stamp something in the center, and I didn't think about that until just now. So let's see. Let's find a stamp as fast as we can. Oh, perfect. This says let's party. That's all we need, right? Let's party. So we're going to grab that. We are going to grab an ink pad. Ken, you better be getting ready there, buddy. We're going to stamp. Last but not least, we need a thing on the back, and I'm just going to grab a brand new one. And oh, this is kind of funny because it says kind of a bad word, but not really. So this is my personalized stamp. It says almost a bad word, but not quite, and it's perfect for a 21-year-old. So I'm going to trim this down really quick. This is a brand new personalized stamp. I should have done this ahead of time. Darn. It's killing my time right here. Okay, done. And we're going to add that. I'm going to stamp it. I'm not even going to test it. I'm just going to stamp it. Boom, stop. Okay. Whew. I got it all in today, let me tell you. So what do we have here? We have our card front that says best wishes with a billion trillion sequins, which he's going to spend 45 minutes playing with, right? We got our cute little drink down there because he's going to start drinking. And we're going to open this up. It says let's party, because how appropriate. And last but not least, you're going to have to get a close-up of this one, Ken. This is the background stamp, which is appropriate for a 21-year-old. I would not send this one to my mother, but it says, yep, I made this. And it has hashtag CraftyAF, because that means a bad word. And then it says, hugs, Stephanie. It says a bad word. Well, it says the initials of a bad word. But it's kind of funny for a 21-year-old, so it's appropriate. But that is awesome. Kenny. Oh, and stamp set, just so you know, friend phrases for HSN. Kenny, what was my time? Oh, at first I saw the second number and I went, what? Okay, not bad. Not bad considering how much I did. And I was a little concerned about my stamps there. 6 minutes and 16 seconds. At first I only saw the 16 and I went, oh, it took me 16 minutes? No. 6 minutes, 16 seconds. But this card is actually going to wow because, hello, it's a shaker that's not going to spill because it is the card front shaker. Look at that. I added my best wishes. I got my little pineapple drink there, coconut drink there. Open it up. Let's party. And on the back, yep, I made this. #CraftyAF hugs Stephanie, which I would never send that to my mother, but whatever. Okay. Woo, not bad. 6 minutes, 16 seconds. So thank you so much, my friends. Thank you for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 6 minutes and 16 seconds, but it's a pretty awesome card, so who's counting? Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. She don't wear the white. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl.
Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.